What's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy, Motorcycle G, back at it with another one. If you're having a good time, like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. Whoa, stay in your own lane there. Stop texting and driving. Alright, let's go, let's get it. Now, it's a little cold out, a little wet, it rained a little earlier. But woo! Let's go, let's get it! Alright. Nice little turn here. Down the gear. Oh. I don't take this as fast on the S1000, or excuse me, on the Deuce as I do on the S1000, but I mean, just because a little bit more wet over here. Let's open her up. I didn't know if he was coming over or not. Yeah, it rained over here pretty recently. Let's go, let's get it. Tell you what, nothing like a cool night on a Harley. No windshield, who needs that shit? Oh yeah, we're moving. Oh yeah. Well, YouTube, it's been fun, it's been real. Appreciate the good time tonight. Woo! But we're gonna have to catch you on the next one. If you had a good time, like, comment, subscribe. This is Motorcycle G. We out.